Hey everyone, it's Carly Hall and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a fun tutorial where I'm using my Glowforge and my Cricut to create these really cute little hangers. So let me show you one of the finished ones. So there are these little acrylic hangers that are engraved and say newborn or whatever size of the divider, and then also have the rainbow of vinyl. So if you have a Glowforge, you can download my free SVG on my blog and you can cut and engrave your dividers. If you don't have a Glowforge, you can either purchase your own dividers or you can use this as a print then cut and upload it to Design Space and then print it out and cut it with your Cricut. So you don't have to do anything by hand, and I will walk you through that on my blog. So with the dividers, if you choose to upload them to your Glowforge and cut them out, and you want all of the vinyl in the same place, you can line up your template on your PDF print. And there's little gray lines, so I'm just going to look at the bottom here and line that up, and then stick my tape straight across. So once your tape is on, we can start applying our vinyl. So I've cut 5 different colors of vinyl, and you'll notice that I cut all the way through my vinyl and my liner. So the liner is still on the back of this, and instead of using the vinyl setting to cut this, I actually used a cardstock setting. So that way I could see where I'm putting it when I'm applying it. So we are going to use the hinge method to apply this. And if you don't know what the hinge method is, I'll put a link to that video as well, because it's my favorite technique and I love it more than I think any other craft technique. So we're gonna line up our rainbow arch with our image beneath it. And then we're just going to tape it right down the center so you can see that it's aligned. And then we're gonna stick the next one on right underneath it. You can do them one by one. I do think that's about the same amount of time because you kind of do have to be a little bit fussy when you're lining them up. But since I don't care if this is exactly in the same spot as my other dividers, I felt that going like this made it a little bit quicker. So we're just going to place this all the way down until we have them all in place. Okay, so everything is placed on, and you'll want to make sure that that is nice and secure. And we're going to start placing our vinyl color by color. So you're going to peel back your vinyl and you'll peel away the liner so that you can see the liner just like this. And then you'll cut off this liner. And then after your liner is trimmed away, you'll push the vinyl back down over your template, smoothing it out so that there's no bubbles. You'll continue doing that for each color. When you have all of your colors in place, you're going to remove this center hinge, and you'll want to make sure to go really slow because you don't want to take up any of your vinyl. And then we'll peel back the other side, and this side's a little bit easier to remove since our vinyl is already cut. And we'll just follow it along the template. And just like that, you have your completed rainbow, so we can remove it from our paper template. And then when you flip it over, if there's any bubbles or anything like that, you can kind of just press your finger into them and smooth them out. But other than that, you're all set and you're good to go. So if you have any questions about cutting your vinyl using the cardstock setting or using the hinge method to apply it, let me know. But this was such a fun, easy project. Let's take a look at all of them together. So here we have our completed set of rainbow dividers. I absolutely love them. If you're looking for any of the links to the products in this video, check out the description below. These, you could see just how fast they were to apply the vinyl to. Each one of these dividers took about 12 minutes to engrave on my Glowforge, cut and engrave. So if you're looking for that information, it was really fast. So if you try this out, let me know, and don't forget to head over to the blog to check everything out. If you found this video helpful, I would love if you like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.